Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Boy, Terry's in trouble. Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. Hey! Vito!
See ya, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
Major, let's go! You're on!
One tire. I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested to call me, you know what.
Where should I go? Should I visit the riverside?
Kyle!
Sistine Chapel on wheels. I'm coming for you, Storm.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen. ¡Oh!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
Got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy Britches, and you Laminate.
Impossible!
Sir Topham Hatt said, busy engines will please the railroad inspector most of all.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm...
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. ¡Y fuera!
Tag, you're in.
Points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
Licht is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh,
this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clown.
I hope you got your drip pan. I hereby dub thee.
Okay, drop and give me 20 miles. Go. Go!
Man!
No!
Website! Hey!
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing here?
Hello, Mater. It's
They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a...
McQueen cannot win the last race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.